real estate website on squarespace.com. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to create a website for your real estate business. Okay guys, so it may sound difficult, but in fact creating a website on squarespace.com it's really easy, and it's going to last you only 5 or 10 minutes of your time. So first thing you need to do is to create an account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I have already made one. And next thing you're going to see is the dashboard. So as you can see, I have made already couple of websites, but here you just need to click on create new website. Okay, so now we are headed into the templates. So those templates are divided by the type and by the topic. So here you just choose real estate and properties topic, and it's going to give you the best matches of templates about the real estate and properties. So as you can see, here it is, the 8 beautiful templates. You just choose here by your heart the best templates that matches you and that you like. So for example, I really like this gray template. It's really beautiful. Just click on it, and here you can change the sample color preset. So what does it mean? It will change the whole palette of colors on your website. So for example, you can see the preview of your website right here, how it's going to look with this color palette or with this. So as for me, I really like the gray one, the additional one, so I just click on start with this design. Okay, so now we just need to wait a bit, and in seconds it's going to load our dashboard and we're going to see our website. But first we need to create a name for it. So I'm just going to name it as an example real estate and click continue. Now it's going to tell us how to sell products, how to drive traffic, but we don't really need it, so just close this page. I'm going to tell you by myself. So as you can see, our website is already ready, and all we need to do is to edit this website. So how to edit it? It's really easy. You just click on this button, on edit button, and you have an opportunity to edit it. So something went wrong. I just reload this page. Okay, so now I click on edit. Okay, the editor page is working. So as you can see, we are on our home page, and every page is divided into the sections. The first one is the header, and the last one is the footer, and those are main sections of your website. So you can delete or add these sections. For example, I don't really need this section with amenities. I just click on remove, and it's going to remove in seconds, as you can see. And for example, if you want to add a section, just click on this button and search for sections that you need right here. So for example, you can add intro, contact, about, people, products, services, portfolios, testimonials, events, quotes, digital products, scheduling, donations, images, videos, menus, forms, charts, audio. So anything you wish is right here. So for example, I would like to add the contact information, so where our real estate is located. So I'm going to choose this one. No, I'm not going to choose this one. I'm going to choose this form. Okay, so as you can see, the section was added, and if you want to add something directly into this section, you just need to click on add block. So for example, I would delete this text, and you can see the location of our real estate right here. And for example, you want to add something right here on empty space, you just click on add block, and you can see all the things you can add right here. The basic ones are text, button, form, newsletter, shape, line, map, markdown, summary, social links, chart, calendar, code, embed, quote, scrolling, accordion, audio, video, and image. So for example, I would add a map right here with the location of our real estate, just scale it a bit so it looks nice. Now I just scale it down. Okay, now it looks good. As you can see, if you want to edit this map, it's really easy to do. Just click on this pencil on the edit button, and here you just need to type the address of your real estate. For example, I would type the Florida state, and here you can see the dot. You just scale it a bit, and I'll drag it to the River Green Golf Course. So, oh no, on the Hunwell's cottages. So our dot would be right here. This map is connected to the Google map, so as you can see, I have left my point on someone's cottage. You can click on it and see where your tick is located. So it's really easy to edit. As you can see, you can name this thing real estate, for example. Okay, so and it will have a name, and you can change the design of this map. For example, change it to dark. Oh, it's going to change it to light. So as you can see, our map right here is really good, and the section is pretty cool. So when you are ready editing your website, just click on save, then exit. You can also check the mobile view of your website, so just click on this button and you're going to see how people will see your website on the mobile phone. So as you can see, everything looks good, and everything is scaled up for you not to pick any images, not to scale them down. See here you can see the dashboard of your website. So it's everything that it is about your website is right here. So the website, the selling, marketing, contacts, analytics, invoicing, content and memberships, donations, and even scheduling. So as you can see, this website is currently in trial, and it says that your trial ends in 14 days. You can upgrade now to get the most out of your site. So I'm going to tell you about the upgrade plans they offer us. So in total there are 4 plans. The cheapest one and the first one is personal. It costs $16 per month. Next one is the most popular, the business one, for $23 per month. Next one is the commerce basic, it costs $28 per month. And the last one is the commerce advanced, it costs $52 per month. Okay guys, so you can pause my video and see all the features that each plan is going to offer you. Choose a plan by your heart and use the squarespace.com. It's a good opportunity to create a website without knowing any programming languages. Okay guys, so I hope you have known something new from my video, and if so, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.